Hi, my name is Shrey, and today I'll be explaining question 1 from Leetcode's Biweekly Contest 31. Question 1 is count odd numbers in an interval range. And I want you to determine the number of odd numbers between low and high, which they provide you with. So let's just jump in straight to example 1 and 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to determine if your low is an odd or even number. And in this case, your low is an odd number, so you would just start with whatever that number is, so 3. Then you want to use a for or while loop, and you just want to add 2 until your low becomes greater than your high. So you start off with 3, then you add 2, so that's 5, then you add 2, which is 7, and then when you add 2 again, which is 9, it would be greater than high, so you would just break out, and you would return 3. For 3 odd numbers between 3 and 7, inclusive. So for example 2, if you start off with an even number this time, you want to increment low by 1. So you start off with 9 this time. Then you add 2, which is 11, and 11 is greater than the high number in this case, which is 10. So you break out of whatever loop you're using, and you just return 1, because there's one odd number between 8 and 10. So that's the solution to this question, and I'll quickly explain it in pseudocode. So the first thing you want to do is determine if your low number is odd or even. If your low number is odd, then you keep it as it is. But if your low number is even, then you add 1. So you increment that value by 1. Then you use a loop. I used a while loop in the contest, and you basically continue in this loop as long as low is less than or equal to high. Oh, I don't know why I said 1C, my bad. So in the loop, the first thing you do is you increment this count value which you're going to return. So you say count plus plus, and finally you say low plus equals 2. So you increment low by 2. Finally, you break out of the while loop or whatever loop you're using, and you just return count. So that's the entire solution to this question. It was a very, very straightforward solution, and for question 1, it's relatively easy. Anyways, if you have any questions, please return them in the comments below. Please type them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.